Very good morning, everyone. My today's topic is verbs, which is for 7th class. So let us define a verb. A verb is a word used to denote an action, event, or state. Is known as a verb. So let us discuss the first topic, main verbs. And we will start with the example. Vinod repaired the TV. A bird flies. The verbs repaired and flies in the above sentences are called the main verbs or the principal verbs. They say what somebody or something do. So we can define the main verb as the main verb is the verb in the sentence that is expressing the action or state of being of the subject is known as main verb. Next topic is helping verbs. Aim, is, are, was, were, will, have, has, had, and do, does, did, done. They are all helping verbs. And we can define helping verbs, and helping verbs is sometimes called as auxiliary verbs, and they help out the main verb in a sentence. For example, Sita is singing. The verb Sita is a helping verb and singing is a main verb. He was bitten by dogs. Was is a helping verb and bitten is a main verb. So I hope all of you got cleared about the main verbs and helping verbs. Next topic is transitive and intransitive verbs. A transitive verb is a verb that denotes an action which passes over from the doer or subject to an object. And definition for intransitive verbs: an intransitive verb is a verb that denotes an action which does not pass over to an object or which expresses a state or being. For example, the boy kicks the football. In the first sentence, the action denoted by the verb kicks passes over from the doer or subject boy to some object, that is football. Therefore, the verb kicks is a transitive verb. The boy laughs loudly. In the second sentence, the action denoted by the verb laughs with the doer or subject boy and does not pass over to an object. So therefore the verb laughs is an intransitive verb. So in a very simple language, we can define transitive verb as a verb which does not have transitive verb we can define as a verb which has an object is known as transitive verb, and intransitive verb a verb which does not have an object is known as intransitive verbs. So we can see in the example, the verb kicks has an object, football, that is why it is transitive. The verb laughs does not have an object, that is why it is intransitive verb. Next, third example, he spoke the truth. The verb spoke has an object, truth, that is why it is transitive verb. Some ants fight very fiercely, and fight does not have an object, that is why it is intransitive. I feel a severe pain in my head. The verb feel has an object, that is why it is transitive verb. So whenever you are recognizing whether a verb is transitive or intransitive, only one thing you have to consider, that is a verb has an object or not. You will find the answer. So I am giving you some homework also, in which you have to underline the verbs in the following sentences and you have to write in each case whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. Thank you.